Hey guys, good morning. We are going through some flourless carrot cake pancakes. So I got all my ingredients out here. I just started measuring and putting it into the blender. So let's get started. I used 1 banana and 1 whole apple to keep it moist and fruity. You got 1.5 cup of oats. I chose protein to add to mine, and I chose vanilla. Thought the sweetener would be kind of nice. Worked pretty well with it. We're gonna grate up some carrots, just a little bit, like a tablespoon or 2 of maple syrup, and then seasonings, whatever you want to put in there. I really like pumpkin spice, clove, ground cinnamon, and vanilla. Dash of salt, 2 eggs, and throw it all in the blender. I also added a little bit of Greek yogurt in there, about 3/4 of a serving or 3/4 of a cup. So, all right. Let's do it. All right, looks pretty good. Let's grate up some carrots and add them to the mix. So we've got our grater. I usually go with a fine grade. And we're just gonna grab this guy and get to work here. Carrots here, just gonna add them in, and then we'll gently stir them. You don't want to blend the carrots. Keep that texture in there. But this is a great recipe and great way to basically hide, a whole serving of vegetables and 2 servings of fruit in what is otherwise a less than ideally healthy baked good. And then if you guys want, you could add raisins or chop walnuts. That's up to you, personal preference. Okay, so I let mine actually sit in the refrigerator for a little while. Let it, 1, thicken up. 2, I'm actually gonna use this as a post-workout. It's a pretty good carbohydrate source. And then because I added in the protein and the Greek yogurt, it actually makes a pretty good protein source as well. So we're gonna just throw the old skillet on medium, let it get hot, and pour some cakes. And the pour looks lumpy, which I love. Boom. Get the drip factor off. Use the finger trick. We don't make a mess. And then I just let it settle out a little bit. Cool. We'll wait for it to bubble and then we'll flip. Okay, take a little peek. Browning up on the underside. So let's go for the flip here. There we go. Carrot cake pancakes. Carrot pancakes. Let's do it. Okay, so the carrot cake pancake is up. I'm gonna throw a little bit of maple syrup on top of mine as a post-workout, and maybe just a little bit of crushed walnuts. I did not put my walnuts in the mix. I like mine on top. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Hopefully it tastes half as good as it smells. And enjoy, you guys. Have a great day.